When it comes to maintaining a home in Houston, homeowners often focus on big-ticket items like roofs and HVAC systems. However, one crucial yet often overlooked aspect of home care is the windows. Houston's climate, with its intense heat, high humidity, and frequent storms, can take a toll on windows, making professional window services an essential part of home maintenance. More homeowners are opting for professional window services, and here's why. Improved energy efficiency. Houston is known for its sweltering summers, and keeping a home cool without breaking the bank on energy costs can be a challenge. Professional window services, including window replacement and installation of energy-efficient windows, help homeowners manage the indoor climate more effectively. Modern windows are designed to insulate better, keeping the cool air in and the heat out, which ultimately lowers the reliance on air conditioning. By opting for energy-efficient windows, homeowners can significantly reduce their monthly energy bills, which is a long-term investment that pays off over time. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows are not just functional, they are a critical part of a home's aesthetics. Whether it's updating the existing windows or opting for a new design, professional window services can transform the exterior of a home. The right window style, material, and finish can make a huge difference in how the house looks and feels. Homeowners looking to sell or increase their home's value often see a substantial return on investment by upgrading their windows, as they enhance the home's curb appeal and make it stand out in a competitive real estate market. Weather-resistant windows for Houston's climate. Houston's weather can be unpredictable. From intense thunderstorms and heavy rainfall to hot and humid conditions, homeowners need windows that can withstand the elements. Professional window services ensure that windows are installed with the right materials and techniques to endure Houston's unique climate. These windows are built to resist moisture, prevent leaks, and offer protection during storms. Furthermore, they are designed to reduce the impact of UV rays, which can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Investing in high-quality, weather-resistant windows provides peace of mind, knowing that a home is protected year-round. Expert installation and maintenance. While some homeowners may consider DIY window installation, professional services offer the expertise and tools to ensure proper installation and long-term durability. A poorly installed window can result in air leaks, water damage, and costly repairs down the line. Professional window installers have the necessary experience to handle complex installations and ensure that each window is perfectly fitted. Additionally, many companies offer maintenance services to ensure the windows stay in optimal condition, saving homeowners from potential issues and extending the lifespan of their windows. Increased home security. Windows are a vulnerable entry point in any home, making it crucial for homeowners to invest in windows that provide both protection and peace of mind. Professional window services offer windows with advanced locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass. This added security can be especially important in a city like Houston, where break-ins can occur. By upgrading to windows with enhanced security features, homeowners can make their homes less attractive to burglars, knowing they have an extra layer of defense. Customized solution. Every home is different, and the needs of homeowners vary. Professional Window Services in Houston offer customized solutions tailored to each client's specific preferences and requirements. Whether a homeowner is looking for windows that match their architectural style or require specialty glass to reduce noise pollution from the busy city, professional window experts can provide a solution. This level of personalization ensures that the homeowner receives exactly what they need, rather than opting for a one-size-fits-all solution. Cost-effective and time-saving. Many homeowners may shy away from professional window services due to perceived costs, but in the long run, it's often more cost-effective to hire an expert. Professional window services save homeowners time and hassle, ensuring that windows are installed or repaired correctly the first time. Additionally, by choosing high-quality windows that are built to last, homeowners save on frequent repairs or replacements, which can be more expensive in the long term. Conclusion. Houston homeowners are increasingly recognizing the value of professional window services. From energy efficiency and improved curb appeal to better weather resistance and enhanced security, professional window services offer a range of benefits. By choosing expert window installation and maintenance, homeowners ensure their homes remain comfortable, secure, and energy efficient for years to come. The investment in quality windows is one that pays dividends both in terms of savings and the overall enjoyment of their home.